department in SNS City. Today we are going to discuss about farming, that is crop monitoring and smart farming using IoT in DD based manner. So we have to discuss about the design, empathy and prototype testing. This part we have to discuss now. So each and everyone, please tell me about a point regarding this.
So I'm going to tell about what the problem is. So as the climate changes in many ways possible, like this time in summer season rain is coming, like that it changes accordingly. So the farmers need a particular data to grow a particular crops, like few grow cotton plants, like that. So cotton plants need a certain amount of temperature so that it will grow much more healthier. So like that there are many different and particular crops. So based on that we need data. So this data, if farmers get these data, it will be much more easier for them to grow a particular crops. So we can go to the next.
So good morning everyone. We are going to brief you about the what are the actual problems that are faced by the farmers in our region. So our country, India, is a tropic region where the both summer and winter presence of seasons are equally classified in a year. Like 6 months for summer and the other 6 months for winter. So in these seasons, the farmers they usually plan to yield any sort of crops according to the seasons in order to produce more healthiest food products, raw material products. But the time what they actually face the problems in case of an unpredictable season change, as what he said. In the summer season, we may experience with the rainy timings and the opposite dilemma in the winter season also. This might spoil their yielding durations and their tolerance also, because they might invest in healthier crops, but it needs some seasonal thing also. So in the absence of the season, that investment of the crops would get wasted, and their overall work performance of the farmers also would be get wasted. So I finally hereby say that if any new evolved technologies or any things that might figure out their problems, it would be better for them to stably go through.
So if any diseases come for that particular crop, we have to identify which time it will come and how to rectify, how to use a new technology and how to avoid the time wasting, how we can efficiently use that particular manner, and to how to produce a good product in a correct climate.
Hi, I am Prasanna from Department of Computer Engineering. I am discussing about ideate part. In using IoT crop development, basically crop needed for the humidity and then the soil temperature and environmental comfortable to the crop for developing a crop. Using IoT, we can monitoring humidity and soil purpose, and then digitally using a drone for aerial photo capturing to check the crop health, and using application to monitoring soil and crop to the our farmer, and then using this method we can easily growing crops anywhere according to the soil and according to the crop which we cultivate. This will be a main ideate part of the thing. This method, this ideate part is a brainstorming one. We can make a best solution for this method.
Okay, so many IoT devices are used to the soil, identify the soils and the climate changes. Many sensors are used to identify many things, and we can implement based on that to get a good product.
So hello everyone. So now we are going to see about prototype phase. So far we have seen empathy, design and ideate. So coming to the prototype, we have to build the model and we have to implement it as a real one. So it is a complex task, but when we are testing it, doing by step, building the prototype in a procedural manner, we can achieve this. So for the smart IoT sensor, using this we have to build a crop system. So while building this, we have to test each and every phase while doing. So we have to discuss the problems, and we have to construct the prototype, and after that we have to deploy it, and if there is any errors or any backlogs, we have to rectify it. So using the sensors, if you are implementing into the smart IoT cropping system, when we are manually going and checking, so instead of that we will be using a software to be, we will be in one place and we will control all. So if alert comes, we will be working based on the alerts. So we can predict it before. So that comes under prototype model.
So mainly we can use the sensor-based, that is climate-based sensors, mostly for monitoring and IoT-based. But it's somewhat its cost is high. It's a main defect in this one. So we have to reduce that one in future.
So hi, I am Sanjay. So now I am going to tell about the testing phase in the 3D mesh manner of the smart farming using IoT devices. So as we all know, the technology is being innovative and also increasing, and there are new technologies are coming out. So we are in 2025, and next we are going in 4 months there will be 2026. Okay. Many of the AI models are introduced, and also they will be developing many ML models and also AI models. Okay. So while coming on to this IoT based smart farming systems, like we will be giving already discussed the prototype and ideate phase, and also define an empathize. Okay. So while coming all those together, and we will be implementing in the testing phase. That is, we will be taking a selecting a farm which will be nearby to the coastal regions, which also has all this climatic condition which will occur, and also there will be farming conditions that will be suitable. And we will be implementing our system into the farmland, and we will be testing and get the data as of now. So by the data we can get many visuals, and also we can get insights of that, and we can analyze which and what kind of crop will be useful for that soil, and which climate will the crop will react. Many kinds of data we can get into this IoT systems that we implemented. So I have to conclude myself. So while coming on to this, IoT in smart farming is best and useful thing to develop the farming conditions in our country. Thank you.
So in the future, everything will be in AI based. So mainly our country based on farming only. So we have to improve using new techniques, and we can lead our country in a